Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Come on, kids, let's learn something new today.
A is for apple. Aha, aha. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. Yes for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for igloo. Just for juice. Cows for kite. L for lion. La 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 la. La 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 la. M's for moon. N's for nest. Na 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 na. O's for orange. Oh 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 oh. P's for pen. Q's for queen. R's for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for toy. U's for umbrella. V is for van. U's for water. X for fox. Kiss. Yes for yak. Yeah. Z is for zebra. A to Z. Sing with me. Phonics fun for you and me.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.